Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So totus 2296. I am. Who's he actually? Michael Klemberg. Israel. Pardon me. Too much cherry coke. Let's try dragon. I was playing F4 line. I think this is like, yeah, this is quite dangerous. Let's play this. Oh, is that? Have I just run into E6? Maybe. This is looking scary. Bishop C4, E6. Mind you, I might have some more centre pawns here. Has he got B4? If I play E6. Have I got anything clever there? I mean, it's protected actually. Have I had this before against him? I might have had this position before against him. Deja vu. Alright, let's try and challenge the centre. So I'm hitting D4. Trying to relieve this pressure on E6. I can manually castle. I might actually get a game from here without getting completely massacred. Let's see. King G8 on knight G5. Now B4, yeah, his knights lose. Okay. Right, I don't think I can allow. That's tricky actually. Like Queen A5. So if he takes here, it's check. Yes. That looks. I've just dropped D6 now. Oh, this is great. I'll drop D6. Yeah. That's clever. I think I've just fallen apart. Can I take on C3? It's got Bishop C5 is on F8. Yeah. Oh, there might be Bishop B4 there. No. Maybe. Okay, I'll have to try this. Yes, it looks pretty grim actually. So the idea, if I've got an idea, is knight E4. It looks really quite grim. Be a miracle if I survive this one. Knight E4.
Check.
It's terrible. Looks really, really over. Wow, I think I went wrong somewhere. Yeah, let's have a quick look. Oh man, that was a disaster. Go wrong here. Okay, knight. Yes, I don't think allowing E6 is a good idea. Knight H5 for future reference. If G4. Ah, the little tactic here. So knight H5. Say there's this. I'm gonna take knight E5. All right. Might be the best. So I think I've gone into basically an opening trap again. it's like, oh my god! I've just gone into yeah.
Check.
Kind of
check.
An abysmal position, but yeah. So basically, one move and I'm blown away. Yeah, D6. I was just wondering about knight G5 and stuff. It's over here at move 14. Basically, this is just completely over.
Check.
That's crushing. This is on F8. It's
Check.
going to be on F8 if I play this on.
Checkmate.
Yeah, a bit of a disaster, I'm afraid. Okay. Comments or questions on YouTube? Well, another trap to avoid, basically. Knight H5 to be considered instead of the knight retreat that I did. Thanks very much.